about PDP, but at the national level now, this interview, the chat is coming to you on the 4 television networks in Nigeria: NTA, channels, TVC, and of course AIT. Your Excellency, you talked briefly about the PDP national, and we ended by saying, Ayu must go, Ayu must go. Ayu has since gone, but your party, we have a northerner still as the acting chairman of the PDP. So, what have you gained? What has the G5 governors, for instance, what have you gained from?
Have you gained that? Well, make sure that equity fairness has prevailed. I just have accepted that there should be equity, fairness, and justice. That is why the president went to the south. And that what we've also gained, that we have exposed Ayu that he has nothing to offer the party. Which from the result that showed that he has nothing to offer the party. And the constitution of the party allows if a chairman leaves, the deputy chairman from that zone will be the acting chairman. You see, for me, it's not about only Ayu. It's about what you have to offer. Take, for example, now, Damagun has called me over and I said, listen, I hear you are the acting chairman now, as provided by the constitution. You have to show difference. You have opportunity. There will be primaries. Elections will come, like what they are going for now in Kogi State. And of course, you have seen what is going on. How lists have been, changed to favor a particular candidate.
Delegate list.
Yeah, the delegate list to favor a particular candidate, whom, as far as I'm concerned, is dead on arrival. There's no way, if what they are planning happens in Kogi State, where they are toying, they are giving opportunity to D1no Mil. And this is what I tell people. You started to fail first. When you give D1no that ticket, you know he won't win in Kogi State. And then tomorrow, why would Kogi people say they will vote for a candidate like D1no?
It's from Kogi
Are we
West.
joking?
He's an indigenous of the state.
Oh, please.
And it's from Kogi West.
With due respect to all of us. I mean, the mere fact that you are from Kogi, they are for any Kogi person. No, that's not the truth. This is what we do. What they are going for, you are talking about governance of a state. And we are not talking about drama. This is not what we are talking about. We're talking about governance of a state. For Christ's sake, PDP presents such a candidate, and you mean that Kogi people want development? You see, let us stop this idea that it's from Kogi. It's okay. Take, for example, anybody from Lagos State, because election, then Lagos people will just go and vote for him because you're from Lagos. I mean, that can't be serious.
Are you saying D1no doesn't have?
D1no does not have what it takes. For Christ's sake, for crying out loud, what is he going to do? He knows me very well. He knows.
What disqualifies him?
He does not have what it takes to be a governor at all. It's not by coming to add drama on television. No, it's not that. It's not by coming to arrest to abuse Wik. It's not that. It's not that. Look, ask D1no when he's saying we're running for governorship. Saraki brought him to me. Ask him. He knows what I'm talking about. He knows. How can you tell me such persons will be governor?
Tell us what happened.
I've just ended that. I've said he's watching. He knows. Let him come and let him know.
So he's watching.
He's watching.
Mr. Saraki brought him to you.
Yes.
And he said he wanted to be governor.
You know,
Then what happened?
I'll let him come out and then I'll go to the